Good day, dear children. Lesson number 6, Industries. That is the Around the World lesson. In this lesson, we can see the need of industries, type of industries, factors related to the establishment of an industry, important industries of the world, and the industrial pollution. Dear children, is the industries are very needable to us? Yes, nowadays the industries are very needable to us because the industries are the basis of development in general and economic development in particular. You see, for export of manufactured goods brings more foreign exchange than export to raw materials. We are exporting the raw materials means from the that we have learned in 5th standard the foreign countries. 5th and 6th we have learned that one. The foreign countries, the British countries ruled India, no, and that time they have exported the raw materials from India and they have again brought that things as a finished product to India. Like that, we are getting the raw materials from other countries and we are making the things. Nowadays, also the other countries are collecting the raw materials from our Indian nation and they are making them as a finished products. Now we can see the types of industries. The industries are divided into three types. First one is based on their size. The industries are divided into three based on their size. First one is cottage industry, then small scale industries, the large scale industries. Cottage industry means that is only inside the house, the people. In our local areas, now in the rural areas, we can see that small the snacks products. Now the snacks items they will make the snacks items in home. That is a small scale industry. That is a cottage industry. And the small scale industries, can you the small scale industries are very example that some few only few laborers will be work, and the large scale industries the small machine parts just like paper goods, toys, furniture, like that they are making in small scale industry. In large scale industries they are the heavy power driven, the heavy power and the large people, the members, the workers, more people are working there. Then the forest base here, the large scale industries are divided into the marine based industries, mineral based industries, agro. The industries are divided by the basis of the raw materials. Agro based industries, mineral based industries, pastoral based industries, marine based industries, forest based industries. If you get any knowledge about this, agro based industries means, you see, the people are produce the factories, okay, the industries they are producing biscuit and it all, no, the cookies. For that what they have need, they need the grains. These are the agro based industries, okay. Mineral based industries mean the iron and steel industries, no, these are the mineral based industries. And the pastoral based industries, the pastoral based industries obtain raw materials from animals, that is the pastoral based industries. Then the marine based industries mean through the marine they are the raw materials from the seas, the, no, the processing the seafood, no, the seafood. And the seafood business means that is based on the sea only, so that is the marine based industry. Then forest based industries, the woods and it all, no, the we are getting the furnitures from woods, so the the woods only from the forest, okay. Then on the basis of ownership also the industries are divided: the private sector industries, public sector industries, joint sectors, private and public. Do you know the private sector means only the private members, only the owners. Public sector means the product, the government is the owner and the workers are called as government employees. And joint sector industries, in such industries the management is just like the um, uh, private sector and the government sector. Now we can see these are the places, the here in this map. This is the iron based industries, countries. What are the countries are located, and these countries are having the iron based industries. Okay, then we can see another one. This is the textile based industries. These are in these countries. You see in this world map, some more places are in red dot. No, these are the textile based industries are here. And we can see this in this map, in this picture you can see the pollution. No, this is the industries are emitting the pollution, so we need to stop pollutions in near some in educational institutions also. The industries are there, they are emitting so more pollution that is very effective, very dangerous to the people. So we try to uh, stop these things. Nowadays also in Kodaikanal, that is a very pleasant area, Kodaikanal, but nowadays the people are telling about, because of that mercury industry is there, so because of that most of the people are suffering from the different type of diseases also. So the industries are most of the industries bring so many problems to the people. Okay, dear children, read the lesson.